Hello, the next item to tackle on our list here is the case studies and white papers. We're going to do these at the same time because they look and act exactly the same. So whichever one you want to add, just obviously come down to that menu item here in the list. As with the other post types, you'll see a list of the already existing. If you want to edit one of those, you can click into it. If you want to add a new one, obviously click right up here at the top, Add New. Once you're in either one of those, here's a case study, here's a white paper, you can see the fields are exactly the same in exactly the same places. You put in the title up here, the description here. You choose whether it is restricted or not right here and enter a password for that. Here is where you upload the PDF. And then here is where you attach the image. It is the same size as the blog images, so 450 by 300. And really, that is all that there is to it. If it's gonna order them by post date. If for some reason you want to reorder them, I believe you can do that here under the reorder tab. But basically, yeah, it's very, very simple. So title, description, restricted or not restricted, the actual file, and the image. And of course, if you choose restricted, you have to choose a password as well. Those will automatically feed into the case studies and white papers sections here. As I understand it, at a certain point, maybe once you get more than 5 or 6, of each of these, we'll be splitting these into separate pages under resources. That is a very simple change to make. Let us know when you're ready for that, and we can swap that. At the moment, I believe this is the only place that we have a feed, and it's not really a feed. It's just we've placed these manually on here. The way that's done, you can see these here. We've got a white paper and a case study. And just like with some of the others, it is placed by the post ID. And so the post ID, you can see is right here. Once you click into the post, it says post equals, and it provides you with a number. Or also, as I've said before, if you hover over from the list view, it shows you way down there in the lower left-hand corner what the link is going to be, and you can get it from either place. In any case, I've got one here for the white paper and one here for the case study. So you just enter the slug of the post type and the post ID, comma separated if you want to add multiples. And this is also set up as a template up here. So case studies white paper feed is going to place these 2 specific ones on here, and then, like I just showed you, you would just need to update the IDs of the posts that you would like to show. I think that is everything for white papers and case studies. Thanks.